Hey guys, we have another 40mm no name. Oh, and this one will lock. Let's see if we can open it. There we go. It's gonna be nice at some point to get the new lock lab, so everything is not just, wiggling around on this table. Okay, I would imagine standard pins, just like with the last one with no name. Oh, okay, there we go. Pin 2 and pin 3. Yeah, standard pins all the way. Well, yeah. Anyway, I don't really have anything else to say to that. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.